Komatsu develops and produces all major components, such as engines, electronics, and hydraulic components, in-house. With this Komatsu technology in adding customer feedback, Komatsu is achieving great advancements in technology. To achieve both high levels of productivity and economical performance, Komatsu has developed the main components with a total control system. The result is a new generation of high-performance and environment-friendly bulldozers. The Komatsu SAA-6 D155A engine delivers 264 kilowatts 354 HP at 1900 minute, 1. The fuel-efficient, powerful Komatsu engine makes the D155A-6 superior in both ripping and dozing operations. The engine is US EPA Tier 2 and EU Stage 2 emissions equivalent, and features direct fuel injection, turbocharger and air-to-air charged air cooler to maximize power. To minimize noise and vibration, the engine is mounted to the main frame with rubber cushions. Fan rotation is automatically controlled depending on coolant and hydraulic oil temperature, saving fuel consumption and providing great productivity with a quiet operating environment. Automatic or manual gearshift modes can be selected with ease to suit the work at hand by simply pressing the switch on the LCD monitor. The mode for general dozing. When a load is applied, the gear automatically shifts down, and when the load is off, it automatically shifts up to a set maximum gear speed. This mode automatically selects the optimum gear speed. The mode for dozing and ripping rough ground. When loaded, the gear automatically shifts down, but does not shift up when the load is off. Komatsu's unique low-drive undercarriage features less shoe slippage compared with other types of undercarriage. The undercarriage follows the ground phi RMLY for increased drawbar pull. Large strengthened shoes have been proven to be highly durable in various job sites all over the world. Greater powertrain efficiency is achieved by the new automatic gearshift transmission. Dear friend, before I continue with the video, let me say that most of the people watching the video are not subscribed to the channel. Please, as a tribute to the work, subscribe to the channel. Let us continue. A newly designed cab is integrated with ROPS. High rigidity and superb sealing performance sharply reduce noise and vibration for the operator and helps prevent dust from entering the cab. The result is relaxed operation in a comfortable environment for the operator. In addition, side visibility is increased because external ROPS structure and posts are not required. Outstanding visibility has been achieved. The D155A-6 cab mount uses a cab damper which provides excellent shock and vibration absorption capacity with its long stroke. Cab damper mount softens shocks and vibration while traveling over adverse conditions, which conventional mounting systems are unable to absorb. The cab damper spring isolates the cab from the machine body, suppressing vibration and providing a quiet, comfortable operating environment. Enables you to easily and precisely set cab atmosphere with the instruments on the large LCD monitor. The bi-level control function keeps the operators' head and feet cool and warm respectively. This improved air FLO function keeps the inside of the cab comfortable throughout the year. Defroster function keeps front glass clear. Optional air conditioner, air filter and a higher internal air pressure minimize external dust from entering the cab. Komatsu's ergonomically designed control system PCCS creates an operating environment with complete operator control. Engine revolution is controlled by an electronic signal, providing ease of operation, eliminating maintenance of linkage and joints. Palm command travel joystick provides the operator with a relaxed posture and superb Phi-NE control. Transmission gear shifting is simplified with thumb push buttons. Armrest is height adjustable without any tools, providing the operator with Phi-RM arm support. Controller automatically adjusts each clutch engagement depending on travel conditions, providing smooth shockless clutch engagement, improved component life and operator ride comfort. Blade control joystick uses a PPC valve and blade control joystick ergonomics are similar to the travel control joystick. PPC control combined with the highly reliable Komatsu hydraulic system enables superb any control. When the gearshift pattern is set to either, or in automatic gearshift mode, the gear is automatically shifted, reducing round-trip repetition work time and operators' efforts. A large user-friendly high-resolution LCD color monitor enables safe, accurate and smooth work. Visibility and resolution are further improved compared with current 7-inch large LCD. Simple and easy to operate switches. Function keys facilitate multifunction operations. Displays data in 10 languages to globally support operators around the world. Various meters, gauges, and warning functions are centrally arranged on the LCD monitor. Offers ease of startup inspection and promptly warns the operator with a lamp and buzzer if any abnormalities should occur. In addition, countermeasures are indicated in 4-stage error codes. Replacement times for oil and filters are also indicated. Electric dust indicator allows the monitor to display the caution icon for the air cleaner clogging on the screen to inform the operator sitting on the seat of the air cleaner clogging status. The monitor informs replacement time of oil and filters on the LCD when the replacement interval is reached, through the web application. A variety of search parameters are available to quickly find information about specify C machines based on key factors. Moreover, Comtrax NDS out machines with problems from your FLEET and shows you through an optimal interface. Comtrax delivers the energy-saving operation report based on the operating information such as fuel consumption, load summary and idling time, which helps you efficiently run a business. The detailed information that Comtrax puts at your fingertips helps you manage your FLEET conveniently on the web anytime, anywhere. It gives you the power to make better daily and long-term strategic decisions. Based on a completely new digging theory, Dozer dramatically improves dozing performance and increases productivity. A new frontal design concept adopted for digging and rolling up at the center of the blade increases soil holding capacity, simultaneously reducing sideways spillage. Reduced digging resistance produces smoother flow of earth, enabling the dozing of larger quantities of soil with less power. In addition, adoption of a new blade linkage system holds the blade closer to the tractor for improved visibility, enhanced digging force and reduced lateral sway of the blade. This is the new generation blade, Semi-U Dozer and strengthened Semi-U Dozer. The blade combines penetration ability of straight blade with increased load capacity provided by short wings which include only the end bits. Dozer and strengthened Dozer, a new frontal design concept adopted for digging and rolling up at the center of the blade increases soil holding capacity, simultaneously reducing sideways spillage. Reduced digging resistance produces smoother flow of earth, enabling the dozing of large quantities of soil with less power. U-Dozer, the wings on this blade minimize material spillage. Since this blade has a lower HP/loose cubic yards than a straight tilt dozer, this blade is suitable for moving lighter or loose materials over long distances. Suitable works are land reclamation, stockpiling and other similar jobs. Coal dozer, specialized blade for pushing coal, with larger width and deep angled wings. Ripper cylinders are reduced from 4 to 2, greatly improving rear visibility during ripping. Also, expanded ripper movement offers a wider range of operation. Variable giant ripper, specially made to handle hard rock with reinforced beam and a shank. The tilt angle of the ripper point is adjustable for better penetration and fragmentation. Variable multi-shank ripper. The ripper point angle can be varied hydraulically to suit the specified seed ground conditions. The ideal movement of ripper points ensures powerful digging force throughout the entire digging angle range.